Hey guys, so if you have the issue with the Amazfit Gtr 2 not charging, this is the thing that you can try to do. So the first thing that you can try to do is that you want to clean the contacts and back of the watch. So this is the first thing with a vinegar, with the water. So, but not like putting it to the water, but with a wet cloth. You know what I mean, right? So this is the first thing. The second thing doesn't work out. Someone wrote here, buy a new charger. Was having the same issue with GTR, not charging above 9%, but the 9% lasts longer than it should. So it might be a software bug, but new charger fix it. So this is charging the cable, changing the charger. These are the things that you can try to do to change. And the last thing you can try to do, if possibly it's going to stuck at like 9% or 7%, you can perform a factory reset. Maybe the factory reset is going to fix the issue, and you're just going to look here, the Amazfit Gtr 2 factory reset. And that's something you can do. Maybe it's going to fix it. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.